Adjournment request, if any, from item number 1 to 6, from item number 7 to 15.
May I please, your lordship? Yeah. Lordship, I am back to mention item number 8 of the daily list, lordship. Another bench. Deeply obliged, lordship.
May please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 12, my lord. This
12.
matter.
Yeah.
This matter may be adjourned, my lord.
Why?
When the senior counsel is engaged in this to my lord, started. So he started me to my lord.
Who is appearing for the state?
My lord, I have obtained the consent of the my lord.
Who is appearing?
Education.
Why no response? Why you have not filed the response to this petition? We'll file, my lord. When you respond? Let the number come, grant them time.
Highly obliged, your lord.
Adjournment request from item number 16 to 24.
My lord, I'm mentioning item 13 to 15, my lord.
13 to 15.
15, my lord. This is, my lord, the petitioner challenged the Missing Autonomous Council Act, my lord. We are yet to file the affidavit, my lord. In one matter, we have just received the affidavit, my lord.
Additional Advocate General Mr. Majumdar on the last occasion, he said that we are going to redress the grievances of.
Yes, all we have, my lord. So we have received one affidavit, my lord, and in 1 week time, my lord, we'll be likely to receive both the affidavits. There are 3 writ petitions, my lord. And yes, my lord,
Consider.
address has been.
Who is
It's
appearing
addressed.
for the other side?
Yes, my lord.
You are appearing.
On behalf
Yes.
of Mr. Kekalisal.
You have no objection?
No, Lordship.
No, my lord.
In all these matters, Mr. Kalita is appearing,
No, Lordship. In 13 and 14, Lordship.
and who is appearing in 15?
15, usually, my lord, senior counsel
Mr. Chaudhary,
Chaudhary appears, my lord, and he appears for all the items, my lord.
in
that
all
is-
the petitions.
2 petitions, Lordship. My senior, Mr. Kekalita, appears for 2 petitions, Lordship. That is 13 and 14, Lord.
What about 13? Anybody on behalf of Mr. Chaudhary?
My lord, yesterday actually K. Kalita informed me, my lord, that he has taken consent from
Consent
the
has been
senior
attained,
counsel, my
Lordship.
lord.
Consent has been.
Okay, when a council appearing for the state, so and so place, has submitted that the counter affidavit in these writ petition is yet to be filed, therefore, and it takes some more time to file the same. The council appearing for the petitioner has no objection. That the matter will split up to 4 weeks. Matter split.
May I please, my lord? With the consent of petitioner, my lord, I beg to mention item number 16 to 19, my lord. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file our affidavit, my lord.
Still you have not filed affidavit.
My lord. Well, it's a stage of finalization, my lord.
Well, responding 1 to 3, 1 and 3, I've also filed in affidavit in only one case. Whether they will file to other cases or not, I don't know.
All the cases. If it is covered, today also covered, if it is not covered, next week.
I have to take inspection of my client. That's the problem.
The same issue is there,
Let it be a next date below that.
so and so, appearing for APDCL. There is some more time to file counter to the writ petitions. Mr. Saraf, the counsel appearing for the petitioner, there is no objection, the time is granted. That's all.
Well, the interim order was there, your lordship. Let me continue, you know.
17.
maybe. India. What about these NOCs? AEGCL is giving you the NOC.
My lord, up to April, it is given, my lord.
April तक का दे दे. I think they'll continue it. Yes, we'll continue it for the further months.
Well, I think, my lord, when the matter is being pleaded, pleadings are going on, it may be, my lord, till further orders because unnecessary every time you lordship extending, if there is no objection.
Let it be. Till next day, my lord. Will be better.
Without order, I am giving. But why you were insisting on this? Without order.
Telecom Mr. Swan, there's some more time to wait. How much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
Just up to 4 weeks. However, the assurance / undertaking given by the council for the APDCL and AEGCL before this court on 19/2/2025 and on the earlier dates will remain in currency till next date.
My lord, in the first case, the date is different, my lord. Item 16, it was subsequent.
From time to time, sir.
My lord.
From time to time. All right. What?
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24 on behalf of petitioner in person, Mr. S. Samaria, Lordship. Lordship, Mr. Samaria is out of station. Actually, in few vacation, he was there in Ladakh, Lordship. Yesterday morning, he's supposed to come, Lordship, but due to weather condition, his flight has been cancelled, Lordship. So I'm paying for short accommodation, Lord.
6 weeks.
Can it be come up next week, Lord?
6 weeks. 4 to 6.
6 weeks.
That's one date kindly be fixed. One date kindly be fixed, Lord.
Get the date from the registry.
We also yet to file our affidavit in the case, my lord. Let it be come in the usual course, my lord. It's a PIL of 23, my lord.
No. You have to file the reply. Yes.
Any other request?
So far, item number 28 is concerned, my lord. Only 1 day accommodation is required, my lord. Matter will come on next Friday, my lord, 28.
Last date,
Yes, my lord.
we
Yes,
ask you about the
Yes,
maintainability
yes, my lord. On Friday, I'll submit.
next week.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I
At the
beg to
request of-
mention item number 25, my lord.
Item number
25.
25. Yes.
Maybe adjourn for that. I'm for the respondent, Lordship. Counsel Mr. Bormon, who is to argue this case, his father has expired, Lordship. It has been 10 days now.
Yeah.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. The request of joint.
Humble request, my lord, for consideration. Your lordship, as we say, by a notification, a commercial appellate division is constituted in 2010/5/2023 by an order by the Honorable Chief Justice. Now, lordship, one matter is pending before the commercial division, appellate division. An interim order was passed, my lord, on 13/2/2025. Now, in spite of that interim order, my lord, our dealership agreement has been terminated.
So how you?
No,
can,
no, Lordship,
mention before this court, sir?
Because this is not a regular bench, my lord. This is a difficulty. Matter is very, very urgent. So therefore, we have no alternative. We have approached the registry also.
You approach the registry will place it before, then we'll constitute the bench,
Lordship.
but not in this roster.
Lordship.
That is not the roster of, we don't have that roster. How can we pass any orders?
Lord. That
Approach the
difficulty is.
registry. If the registry will place it before us, we'll consider.
Lordship. Problem.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. With
Yeah.
the consent of the other party, we are representing respondent number 1. The council involved in this matter is having health issues, Your Lordship, and he is unable to appear before this court today.
Yeah.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Daily list for this item 1 and 2.
Lordship, I beg your apology before your lordship. In this matter, although we have filed our affidavit, I am representing Director, Social Justice and Empowerment Department. We have filed our affidavit, but we have wrongly annexed the annexer. Lordship, the correct annexer is with me. If your lordship permits me, I can,
corrected,
lordship,
get it corrected.
no, the means annexer, which we have annexed in our affidavit. Saying wrongly annex means wrongly annexed.
You have some next wrong documents.
Lordship.
Get it corrected and supply a copy of the corrected
Lordship,
documents
I
to the
will.
other side.
I will, lordship.
Then we'll consider.
I will.
Legal and counsel appearing for the, you are appearing for which department?
Social Justice and Empowerment Department, lordship.
Social Justice and Empowerment Department has submitted that though the reply, counter to the writ petition is filed on behalf of the department, however, due to inadvertence, some wrong documents have been annexed with the counter, with the affidavit in opposition. He placed some time to place on record the correct documents along with the reply. Time paid for is granted. How much time?
Lordship, as per your lordship.
2 weeks. Just after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, in fact, we have also filed an affidavit,
Okay.
bringing that letter on record. In that affidavit, it was wrongly mistaken as, it's a typographical error. It should be PIL 6. However, we have written as PIL 2. It is
Get
there
it
with the
corrected
record.
in the office.
Yes.
Get it corrected.
Lordship. Deeply.
So on the last occasion, your Lordship was about to dispose of this matter. So your Lordship may just fix up a date.
Yeah, get the date after 2 weeks, whatever you.
Item 3.
The service is complete. My lord, in view of the division bench judgment, my lord, I pray, my lord, this for consideration of the representation filed by the petitioner for encadrement. My lord, this was an ex parte, my lord. For the judgment to go. It will,
Yes.
Seven May.
My lord, ex parte judgment, we could not place before the court the representation filed by us. Two aspects we could, but I am not on that technical thing, my lord. I am on these issues that similarly situated 100 persons have been regular,
If
have
they
been
have
promoted.
wrongly been, if they have wrongly been granted, how it will create
No,
a right
not-
in your
not-
favor, sir?
But the judgment says, my lord, that for encadrement you can go. So prayer for encadrement is there. If your lordship looks into the judgment.
As per the office report, service upon the respondent is complete.
Yes.
Is this writ appeal for admission? When?
Any day.
After 3 weeks.
Already admitted, my lord, on earlier. Service completed.
Service coming, not admitted.
Item 4.
Respondent number 1.
One, my lord. Here, my lord, I have taken the dusty notice, my lord, but I need to some time to complete the process, my lord, to serve the notice upon the number 1.
Legal and counsel for the applicant, pray some more time to file an affidavit regarding the justice service of notice upon the respondent number 1. It's up to 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 5,
Respondent number 11.
My lord, I have taken steps, my lord. It is on 24/2, my lord. The second steps only from
Which
7
date? Which date?
24/2, my lord.
You are appealing for?
I'm for the caveat, my lord. Respondent
number
number 3, my lord.
Respondent. Who is the respondent?
Yes. First order, one, we to have the 4.
Yeah, await return of notice of respondent number 11 for 5 more weeks.
Obliged.
item 6,
May I please your lordship, 15 is delay for connected appeal lordship. Service completed.
Service complete. 2, 3, 4. You have filed the wakaltnama. What do you want to say?
Delay may be controversial.
Delay on merits?
On merits, no merit is there. Madam.
No merit is there. Okay, yes, Mr. No merit is there. No merit.
Lordship, during the time of hearing lordship.
We are
Lordship,
hearing you.
read appeal file back wages lordship. Learned thing will just pass the reinstated service, but back wages not allowed.
Yes.
Lordship, appeal are dismissed from the service lordship. Actually, today I'm not fully prepared for the writ appeal lordship.
The only issue is regarding back wages.
Yes, lordship.
So why back wages? You have not worked.
Lordship, already I may punish
You have
the,
not produced anything, whether you are gainfully employed or not. The court makes it clear that there is no direction towards payment in the event of any such a claim. It will upon the authorities to take appropriation in that regard.
appropriate not taken against the lordship.
Still you then challenge that action, not what's the wrong in this direction by the learned single judge. You have to satisfy the court that you are not gainfully employed during that period. Yeah, well, then only you are entitled for this back wages. Otherwise, what's wrong in this order? Your termination order set aside, reinstated, only the back wages part.
Lordship, may kindly that is supposed to the back wages is not allowed to me. Then it
Not
is a
allowed to
punish.
mean, then come again. Not in this.
Already representation submit lordship.
Submitted, then wait for the decision, wait for the decision.
Now only next lordship. This document also next lordship.
Page 19. 19. 19.
19 lordship, page 19.
Yeah.
Hey, you know. What's an idea?
This is your representation.
Lordship.
Let them decide.
Representation, page 19 of the delay application. Here, he has not made any prayer for back wages. Only he has prayed to rejoin him. Allow him
Directed to reinstate and take appropriate decision of my back wages. Therefore, I request kindly rejoin my services. Okay, ठीक है.
Page number 18 lordship.
Yes, page number 18.
Lordship.
Yes.
This was kind information that you will be retiring for, no, that is the info, retiring lordship.
What is this?
Page number 16 lordship, annexure 2.
Annexure 2.
Lordship.
What is it?
Can I read lordship?
Read.
We write with reference to your appeal dated so-and-so against your number so-and-so and subsequent order Honorable Guwahati High Court dated 2/9/2024 lordship. We write to inform you that management TRA have decided to honor the judgment of the Honorable Guwahati High Court 2nd September 2024 and subsequently appeal reinstate your service with the Association of the 16 September 2024, while I was joined Lordship. It may be noted that there would be no back wages and seniority effect from 17 October 2024 till the date of your joining service lobby. This is
Challenge this order separately. How? What's wrong in the order of the learned single judge? Challenge this order separately.
Lordship.
Challenge it.
Lordship,
Withdraw it and get it, will grant you the liberty to.
leave what it is, Lordship, then.
Matter comes upon for consideration of the application. IA number so and so. With the prayer to condone the delay of 15 days in filing the connected rate appeal. Stop. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent has not seriously opposed the application, hence, not seriously opposed the application. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and after going through the contents of the application, we are of the view that the delay of 15 days in filing the connected rate appeal is liable to be condoned. Hence, IA is allowed. Delay of 15 days in filing the connected rate appeal is condoned. Full stop. The registry is directed to register the connected rate appeal immediately. Now next, Kadena. Heard the appeal finally. With the consent of the parties, the matter is heard finally. Full stop. The learned single judge, while allowing the writ petition filed on behalf of the appellant, has set aside the dismissal order and directed the respondents to reinstate the appellant. Full stop. However, the learned single judge has kept it, has clarified that there is no direction towards the payment of back wages, and in the event the appellant makes such a claim, it will be upon the authorities to take appropriate decision in that regard. Pursuant to that, the appellant has moved in representation. However, the same has been rejected by the representation, and pursuant to that, the respondents have allowed the respondents have reinstated the appellant in the services, but has denied the back wages and the seniority, denied the benefit of seniority as well as back wages during the period when the appellant was not in service on account of illegal dismissal. Stop. After attempting to argue the matter for quite some time, learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that he wants to withdraw this writ appeal, however, seeks liberty for the appellant to challenge the order dated 30th of September 2024 passed by the respondents, whereby the benefit of whereby the back wages and the benefit of seniority has been denied to the respondent, while availing appropriate remedy available under the law. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent has no objection if such liberty is granted. In such circumstances, the writ appeal number so and so is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty who the petitioner has prayed for, who the appellant has prayed for.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
30th. 13.
Item 7.
26 days.
My lord,
Yes.
for condemnation of delay, my lord, 226 days. Due to, my lord, illness, my lord. I have explained in para 3.
Yes,
Yes, my lord, I have explained in para 3, my lord, he was suffering from illness, my lord.
we are satisfied.
He could
We are
not,
satisfied.
lordship.
Come on, merits.
My lord, the petitioner was appointed in the year 1994 in the, my lord, when the school was venture, my lord. He was the senior most assistant teacher. My lord, at the time of provincialization in the year 2013, he was dropped, my lord, and in his place, my lord, another person was regularized who was much senior to him, my lord. Thereafter, several litigations was there, my lord. Finally, this court, my lord, this honorable court ordered the department to make an inquiry, my lord. And on
They
the
found that you were supposed to, your services were supposed to provincialize and not of that person.
lordship. Thereafter, my lord, department has cancelled the provincialization of that person, and I was regularized, my lord.
So far as regarding payment is concerned,
Lordship.
you are asking for that.
Lordship. And I was regularly, my lord, attending the duties.
But how the government can pay two persons
My lord,
for the same period?
learned single judge has pointed out that recovery, my lord, until and unless the payment which has been made to the other person was not recovered, it cannot be paid to the appellant, my lord. My lord, prayer would be, my lord, the government machinery, my lord, could recover, my lord, because, my lord,
Recover without
he was
hearing
not entitled, my lord.
Without hearing him, you are not made party to him in the writ petition.
Writ petition, he was party, my lord.
He was party.
Uh,
Where is
writ-
that?
writ petition.
He was not party. Only 5 respondents are there. State of Assam, Director Elementary, District Elementary, Block Development and the Treasury Officer. That's all.
Yes, my lord.
You are not made
Actually,
in party.
that question was not at that time, my lord.
Portion? Which portion? You have not implemented in party. Where is the question of portion?
My lord, I may be allowed to implement him.
Before the writ court, he was not party and here we allow you. Why?
Lordship, department, my lord, wrongly paid him, my lord. And which was my
Not
entitlement.
wrongly paid him as per the order of this court. Not wrongly.
My lord, that order was obtained by misleading the court, my lord.
Challenge that order. Or
before
you
that
should have
court-
challenged that order.
Before that order, my lord, this court, my lord, passed another order, my lord, restraining the department to provincialize, to regularize the service of that person.
Come to the point. You yourself are saying the government can pay after recovering from him.
Lord.
He's not party before us. How can we order for that, sir? Without hearing him? He has also worked on the post, wrongly or rightly, whatever it is.
My lord, my question is where my entitlement will go, my lord.
Your entitlement with that, be satisfied that you are appointed in the service and now you are continuing. Be happy with that.
My lord, then liberty may be granted, will file review before the learned single judge.
Review.
Review, my lord.
Review for what?
Review for the order, my lord, impugn order.
Yes,
My lord, liberty may be granted, my lord. We'll file review then. Because, my lord, we thought the Abu
the
Talha
matter
will
comes
not
upon
agree, my lord.
consideration of the application number so and so with the prayer to condone the delay of 226 days in filing the connected writ appeal. Full stop. And it concept, looking to the controversy involved in this case. We have heard the learned counsel for the applicant finally. On merits of the connected writ appeal wherein the impugned order passed by the learned single judge is under challenge. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner applicant after attempting to argue the matter for quite some time has submitted, on instruction has submitted that he may be allowed to withdraw this IA as well as the connected writ appeal with liberty to avail appropriate remedy available to him under the law. Dismissed with liberty. The IA as well as the connected writ appeal is dismissed with liberty as prayed for.
Obliged.
For admission, item 9.
For the respondent number 1, we have filed our affidavit. Time, bring for 1 week time to file our rejoinder affidavit.
You have filed the.
Yes, my lord, we have filed the affidavit. Oh.
Acha.
File it on 9th of April.
9th of April, yes.
I'm praying for 1 week time to file our rejoinder. Also.
Reply. Counter to the writ petition is filed on behalf of the state on 9th of 2025. And the counsel appearing for the petitioner prays some time to file counter to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the state. Time paid for is granted. List after 8 weeks.
It may be connected with WPC 5626, similar method.
List after 8 weeks along with so and so, so and so.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 10.
I think there is one matter which should have been listed, which is not being listed, because when the order was passed by this court on 9/4/2020.
2-3 days after this matter was listed. After 2-3
Yes,
days,
correct. This is the order which your lordship will kindly see.
So 119 is this and 124/2025.
Yes, right. The last. Well, let this matter be listed along with that.
After 4 weeks along with writ appeal number 124/2025.
Yes. Deeply obliged. The lordship is fixing any date or after?
Did you wish?
No, it's up to the court.
4 weeks,
After-
you get the date from the registry.
Yes, I'm deeply obliged.
Item number 11.
Lordship, I beg to appear for the appellant. Am I audible, Your Lordship?
Private respondent. My 319, 326 and we need all private respondents.
Yes,
Yes,
we have
I'm for
complied
the
with the-
private respondents.
all the private respondents.
All the private respondents, Lordship, the AR Malhotra is from Aizawl is going to appear. Today is the holiday in Aizawl, so he could not appear before this court. So some time maybe.
Lordship, may I also request for a fixed date subject to convenience, Your Lordship? I also couldn't appear. I would like to address arguments physically, my lord.
Which date?
My lord, could it be 2nd of May, Your Lordship, subject to convenience?
Second Lordship.
2nd of May.
Lordship.
As per the request of the council for the respondent list on 2nd of May.
Deeply
Obliged,
appreciated.
obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 12.
Well, who appeared for the state? Education department. Yeah. Yes, Mr. You are supposed to file a counter.
Item number 12 has been mentioned, my lord.
Mentioned, but
Yes, yes.
the validity of some of the provisions are under challenge. You have to file reply.
Yes, my lord. Kindly give us 2 weeks time, my lord.
Okay, Mr. So and so. Appearing for which department?
Higher education department, my lord.
And you are appearing for? You are also supposed to file reply, or there is no need to file any reply? What, Madam Bora?
Lordship, I'm saying lordship. Two, lordship,
Yes,
respondent number 2.
any reply is required from you or not?
Not.
Not.
I think not.
लिखिए Mr. So and so इनके सबका आज लिखा था. Presence. Appearing for all the respondent, Mr. Council appearing for the education higher department.
Yes, my lord.
Higher Education Department of Government of Assam phrase some time to file counter to the writ petition, time paid for is until list after 8 weeks.
Absolutely.
Item 20.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, notice was issued, no response has been filed yet, my lord.
Till date,
No, my lord. Item 20, my lord. Secondary department. Sorry, appear for it last time. Hindi teacher, okay. Hindi teacher, okay. Hindi teacher, okay. Time to-
Actually, in this case, I prefer little approval. Mr. Majumdar is, in this case, is some difficulties today.
Mr. Double AG. Mr. Majumdar, Double AG.
No, no, Rajesh
Rajesh
Majumdar.
Majumdar, I'm Majumdar. I'm Majumdar.
You have, he has to file affidavit.
Lordship, I'll communicate. Lordship will accommodate.
Okay, Mr. Pogoi for Mr. Majumdar. Press some time to file counter to the writ petition. Less than, time period for is until list after 8 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 21.
My lord, today case may be adjourned, but my colleague has not come.
Oh, you were supposed to
I have the recording. I have the.
supply them also,
It's
whatever you are having. They'll also.
No, they can see lordship. I will, they can see lordship.
Only a mark sheet is there, you supply them.
But he seeks an adjournment next Monday.
Next.
For hearing item 22 and 23.
This matter may be taken up for final disposal on any hearing day, Lordship. They are challenging the act.
Today also hearing mein laga na sir.
Today, there are other cases also. It will take a little.
Today also it is in hearing on.
Then Lordship may start the hearing in that case.
No, we have no objection.
In fact, in most of the days, we are prepared and they always take time. On last
Yeah,
few
both the-
occasions-
No, he is always eager to argue. A matter is meant to be
Yes,
known.
yes.
because we are also.
Earlier, you have to change your affidavit, you have filed some.
Yes.
Yes, we
Lordship,
have changed
remember.
it. After that also, we came for him. On Thursday, Lordship, this coming Thursday.
Well,
So not-
in June,
June second week, my lord, and convenience.
June second week or August after July.
No, June
After
second week.
summer vacation,
June second week. well,
June second week. Sure.
On
any-
June 2nd.
Second.
Highly appreciated.
Grateful.
Item 26.
May I please, your lordship, lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
Yeah.
Bless lordship.